rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Welcome to Vlogmas week 2. So, as you guys know by the title, in today's video, I'm going to be getting my life together. And when I say that, I mean my room is a mess. I need to clean that, which I do that in like every video. It's so messy. Like, I'll just show you guys in a little bit. It's really bad. I also need to edit and plan some YouTube videos, and I need to do laundry and just like a bunch of stuff. So that is basically what I'm doing today. It's currently 10:51. And it's Saturday right now, so I don't have school today, so I have all day to get my life together. I thought I would just film a video on it because I need content for Vlogmas. I mean, I'm kind of doing Vlogmas. I'm just uploading an extra video every week, so that's all I have time to do. So, anyways, let's just go ahead and get into this video. Okay, before I can even feel productive at all, I need to clean my room. I cannot be productive if I'm in a messy environment. It needs to be clean, or just I will not be productive. So first of all, here is what my room looks like. Here's my nightstand. My bed is a mess, and then I have a huge pile of clothes over there. My desk is also a mess. So we're just gonna clean up my room. And also, I think these pictures are just not doing it for me anymore. I don't like the VSCO look, so I think I'm gonna take them down after I'm done cleaning. So we'll see. I don't know, but let's just go ahead and get cleaning. I really don't want to hang all of my clothes up. Okay guys, so I just finished cleaning my room. Finally, it didn't take as long as I thought it would. I turned my tree on and I hung up all of my clothes. I cleaned up my desk and I wiped it down with a Clorox wipe because it was pretty dirty. I also like put all of my like moisturizers and like hair products in my bathroom because I just didn't like the way it looked. And then I cleaned up my nightstand, and then my bed is all made. That is step 1 complete of getting my life together. The next thing that I want to do is take all of these pictures off my wall because I just don't really like how VSCO they are. I don't know, it just doesn't really match my vibe anymore, so I'm gonna take them down, and I don't know if I'll replace them. For now, I'm just gonna take them off, and yeah, it's gonna look really weird, but hopefully it looks okay. So where should I put you guys? Okay, so I just finished taking off all the pictures. I just put them on my desk. It looks kind of weird because the wall just looks super blank right now, but I also just kind of like it like that. So I don't know if I'm gonna put other pictures up there because I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. So here is just this small little desk tour. I just plugged in my MacBook over here because I want to start editing on my desk instead of on my bed. So I just have my little salt rock lamp, this little star decoration, my MacBook, and then my Polaroid camera. I actually won this in a giveaway from Urban Outfitters. Fun fact of the day. So the next thing I need to do is my laundry. So I'm gonna do my laundry really quickly because I need to do that. Hey guys, so it is now 12:22 and I've just been watching some TikToks for a little bit, but now I'm gonna edit some of my YouTube videos. But I'm having like this homemade peanut butter cup. I don't know, it just looked good. And I was gonna make something to drink, but I'm just gonna have some water. It is currently 6:48 and I have just been chilling for the past hour or two, and right now I'm waiting for my YouTube video. I'm uploading it to YouTube and it's going to be out tomorrow, so it's going to be up by the time this video is out. It's my first YouTube paycheck video, so if you haven't seen that, then make sure you go check it out. I think this is going to be it for today's video. I feel like by the time I edit all of the footage, it's going to be really short, but it's fine. These little vlogs have been pretty fun to film, so stay tuned for next week. Stay tuned for week 3 of Vlogmas. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Look how aesthetic that looks. That looks so cool. Okay, bye.